Looking for a ride that combines style, comfort, and dependability? Our 2023 GMC Terrain SLE all-wheel drive is ready to check all your boxes. With cozy heated seats, a convenient remote start, and a crystal-clear rear camera, this SUV is packed with features designed to make driving a pure joy. The sleek alloys add a touch of sophistication, while our factory warranty and 12-month Huggable Guarantee give you peace of mind every mile of the way. But it's not just about features, it's about the experience. Every vehicle at Jim Gilbert's comes with a full tank of gas because you deserve to hit the road without a worry. Reliable and oh so affordable, this Terrain is the perfect companion whether you're zipping around town or embarking on your next adventure. With full financing, zero down, and a love for trades, your dream ride is closer than you think. Give us a chance to earn your business and experience our huggable difference. Don't forget to spin and win up to $500 in free gas.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer